If you're a game developer trying to get a job in the game industry, then you most likely will have to do a technical test to get a job. So this series is part of sharing some of these design tests that could potentially help you along your journey. So my name's Oliver. I've worked in the game industry for about 8 years now. I've reached out to my developer friends across the industry, and they have shared some example questions that you could potentially get. So I thought it would be helpful to share them, and then you could try them and see how you get on. So here are 5 coding tests that you could get in your interview process. Number 1, use the project provided and finish off the game so it's fully functional, after providing the candidate with a half-finished Space Invaders game that they would have to complete. Number 2, we have provided you with a shell of a very simple vertical scrolling game, including a selection of art and audio assets. We would like you to spend approximately 5 hours tuning this shell into something which impresses us and plays to our core values. Feel free to change the version of Unity, add assets, and use third-party plugins so long as you call them out. Third, recreate an old arcade game like Airseas Battle or Asteroids, but in a way it would be easy to add features and iterate on the design. There are also another couple of questions where you might have to refactor code or answer specific questions on things like that. So an example is, the game you are working on is displaying X issues, e.g. lack of performance. Explain how you would go about diagnosing the issues and possible solutions you might expect to implement. And then finally, you're working on a new game of X genre, example platformer, FPS, RPG, etc. Explain how you would implement Y features, example jumping, gun inventory, or quest systems, and discuss what you would focus on in development. So there you have it. There's a bunch of potential questions you could get in your interview process. I hope these help. If you have any questions or if you even try them out, please let me know down in the comments, and follow for more content like this.